Hello headphone users! Today I will show you how to change or replace old Beats Solo 2 or Beats Solo 3 earpad cushions. This way you will save some money by not buying new ones and improve the look of your existing headphones. As you can see, the existing earpad cushions on these Beats headphones have served their time, and it's becoming shameful to use headphones with such earpads. To do this DIY, first off you must order a replacement earpad cushions for Beats Solo 2 or Solo 3. Both models have same pad. New earpads are available in 5 different colors. This time the customer wants black ones because they're more practical, and I agree. I'll put links to the pads in the description or comments. To remove all the earpads, you will need a knife or flat blade screwdriver because earpads are glued and need to be torn off. Insert screwdriver into the gap between the pad and the body of the headphones, and then try to tear off the earpad. Just do not damage the speaker diaphragm with the tip of the screwdriver. After a little fight, earpad cushion is off. For the other side, let's remove earpad with knife to show you that using the screwdriver is not the only way. The technique and rules are the same. This pad fights back, but eventually, with some effort, it finally comes off. It's advised to tear off the old tape. Of course, it's not obligatory, but if you don't, then there will be a bigger gap between the pad and the headphones themselves. When installing the new pads, it's important to place them on the plastic pins, one at the bottom and the other one at the top. Take off the protective tape and glue the new earpad by putting it in the middle and then firmly pressing it. Perform the same steps by putting on the other earpad cushion. And here you go! So simple! It's a shame that Beats themselves don't offer new earpads and we have to buy them in aftermarket. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe. It's not obligatory, but it will inspire me to make more money and time-saving guides. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them in the comments section. Thanks and see you later.